Hello everybody, Boyd here with you. Just a quick video to announce my entry into the 2023 Cancer Awareness Group Build being hosted by Bob Busking. And this is the kit that I picked out. This is the 1/16 scale 79 Firebird Trans Am kit from MPC. So I'm going to have a lot of fun putting this one together. I want to say a shout out to Bob for hosting the Cancer Awareness Group Build this year. It's really cool that he's doing that this year. It's in honor of Chris Cortell, who we lost back in March, and big loss to the community, so always nice to do something for Chris and keep that memory of him going. Another shout out to Kenny May over at Moonwalker Models. You guys that are fans of Chris Cortell's videos from the Classic Plastic 101 channel, you can find his channel was taken down, but Kenny's been periodically updating all of Chris's old videos on the channel there, and it's called Classic Plastic 101 Hangout. So go over there and check it out, you guys. It's really great to see that Kenny took the time to do that. It's a lot of work, and really great that Chris's videos are being preserved, because a lot of really good modeling information in there, you guys, for building all kinds of different stuff if you haven't checked it out. But I'm really happy to get going on this kit. This is a nice little kit here, you guys. It's been around for a while. It's got opening hood and doors, removable T-tops. I think the front end is steerable on it. And it's just a really nice kit of a Trans Am. Big fan of these cars. I'll take the lid off and show you in just a second, but I'm going to be going with a sort of a dark maroon paint job on this, metallic, with the red accents for the birds and everything, and the Trans Am logos. And that's going to represent, I think that's head and throat cancer. That's the color for that one. So that'll be my color for this kit. But I just wanted to show you, Bob's being really cool with the rules too, you guys. He's, if you need to start a couple days early, he mentioned in his introductory video about the group build, just the cutoff date's at the end of October, but if you want to start a couple days early, apparently that's okay. That's going to be great for me, because I do need to get this started. I've got a lot of stuff going on in October, but I definitely wanted to take part in the group build. So, and then he also said if you've already got a partially started kit, that's okay. So that's good for me too. I actually had this kit open, I don't know, maybe last year or something. I started fiddling around. I've got the wheels and the tires done, but that's basically it. I've got everything else still in the bags. Just kind of wanted to show you that. Here's the body. You've got some panels you got to remove here that were, included during the mold. We've got opening doors, T-tops, opening hood. Nice set of decals so you can do different colors. We're going to do this kind of red accent here. I think will go really nice with the color I picked out. The gold accented wheels. Here's the chassis. Some chrome parts here. Our glass. Nice red tinted taillights. Here's our engine parts, hood. Everything looks like some interior parts, the seats, steering wheel column, things like that. And let's see, the last couple of sprues here. Yeah, as I mentioned, it's an older kit. There's a little bit of flash, but nothing bad at all. Here's the dashboard, the gas tank bottom. That's nice, so we can paint that separate. Here's the rear end and leaf springs, lower control arms. You can see the separate spindles there with the separate drag link on there, so this is a steerable front end. I thought I saw, yeah, here we have some actual real metal coil springs that go in the front, so it must have a little bit of a working suspension in the front. But this should be a fun build, you guys, and I'll have about a week or so to get it done, so I'm going to be working on it off and on every other night and doing some updates. Come back in the next day or two with a, maybe Sunday, or that's actually tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow, maybe tomorrow afternoon, with a little update on this. I'm going to start with the body like I always do on these model car kits. I'm going to get all the doors separated, all the parts, the hood. I think before I paint this, I'm going to go ahead and get all the, like the little side flares and everything glued on, so I paint that all the same on the body. But I'm going to just be working on getting it all cleaned up, getting all the flash off of it, test fitting everything. Sometimes you got to heat and bend the hood and sand the edges of the hood a little bit to get it to fit really nice on the body. I'll be working all that. I like to get that all worked out before I go ahead and paint anything. So then we'll put it in prime, and then we'll put our base color down on it. Maybe I'll be doing that on the on the video tomorrow afternoon. Probably be working on it a little bit tonight. So just wanted to make the announcement. Really pleased to take part in it. Thanks again, Bob, for putting it on, and I hope you guys will check it out. It's definitely for a worthy cause. We'll see you a little bit later, everybody. Take care and happy modeling.